what's up, guys? It's Finn. I know it's been a long time, but I thought I'd give you an update on the tanks and what's going on recently. So let's just get into it right now. So here's my bass, and as you can see, I don't know if you guys really can tell, but he has grown quite a bit. He is just as wide as this tank, which is 22 inches. So I say he's sitting probably at 20, 21. It is time for him to go. And I found the perfect place to put him. He's not going in that pond that I have access to fish. He's going to go to one of my cousin's ponds where they are fed like kings. So he's doing real good. As for my aquarium, nothing else in there, just him. So it's looking well. He's always coming up some glass when I come down here because he'll eat and eat and eat. What I've been feeding him lately are goldfish and big crawlers, big night crawlers, thrown in there like 3 at a time, and he's just inhaling them. So he's doing very well. And I read that these guys can live up to like 16 years. So I believe he is, I want to say he's 4. He's 4 years old, maybe 5. I'll have to double check that, but he's doing pretty good. So in my other tank, it's just like a, I don't know, just a weird setup. There used to be bluegill in there. There's none anymore. There's none in there anymore. So there's just goldfish, some baby rosy reds, and I got bullhead catfish in here, 2 of them. What I've been feeding these guys is just shrimp, dried shrimp, and they've been just eating them up. As soon as I throw them in there, they smell them. So there's him, and then there's the other one back there. I caught these guys when they're just little babies on the shore. They hide in the weeds, and I just take my hand and I scoop them onto the shore and pick them up and brought them home. So I'm going to grill these guys up and throw them in that pond that I do have access to. So they're doing good. And then I have guppies in there that are in there just for breeding purposes, to breed and have babies, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but that's that. Both aquariums need to be cleaned. I am behind on that, but I've been gone like every weekend, so it's been really hard, and it's just been a crazy summer. Let's put it this way, a crazy past 10 months. Just personal stuff going on, and I just wanted to give you guys a video of what's going on and what's up, and that I do still have these tanks, and I have future plans, but just, I don't know. I wanted to do stuff completely different this year, but I haven't had the opportunity to. But I'm hoping by next year I'll have new species and new setups. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, I'm pretty good at answering within 24 hours. If not 24 hours, then 1 to 3 days. But for the most part, it's been 24 hours. So thanks guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and you'll get access to all new videos. So until then, take care, and we'll talk to you next time.